Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Mir, and in this video I will continue with my last or my previous video, and this is about free mining CryptoPixel. As you can see on the picture, it was for 2 weeks ago, and right now I will prove if it is possible to get that mining amount. So in this video, this is the first video we can check this. I have explained how you can start mining and how you can get application on your phone. So you just, if you look at all the way down, so this video explain how you can install on your Android mobile and how you can start mining. There was some kind of question if this is a proof to see if this is possible to get mining. So for right now, in this video, I will prove if it is possible to get that amount. So now we want to look at this together. Now I have mined already 30,000. I mean the minimum amount we needed to mine. So I have, as we can see, there's a minimum withdrawal, and now I will put my minimum.
In an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain.
As you can see now, has been submitted successful. That means now we're gonna have it. So let's see, these have been restarted, the currently balanced. That means I don't have any more, and that have been sent. This is my referral code if anyone you want to use it. So of course you can use that. So now we're gonna look together on my wallet if I get that amount. So we can see now at the same data, I mean this was from first of this month. It is June, so I didn't get on my wallet. I tried many times, I checked everything. I mean almost all day I checked, but I didn't get that amount. But for now I waited a few days. So now if you look on the calendar, after first day I didn't get it, second day I didn't get it, and the fourth day, it means on Friday or Saturday, I get that amount. So if we look together for right now, so that amount I have withdrawn, now I have on my wallet. So this is the proof of the mining. So these applications look legit. So if you like to mine it, of course you can use it, and please subscribe to my channel if you like it.